Ooh, talk about a nasty toilet repair. Rusted. I ended up using my Dremel with a metal cutting blade on there. I only had to cut one side, this side over here, because you know how these things work, they only slide on. So once I got that one loose, and that was kind of loose over there, so I used a hacksaw on a, where's that, this thing here. Got in there and cleaned out some of the stuff, got it loose. Once I got them loose, and I knew it was halfway over, just careful not to break that. So it's a hell of a mess to clean up here in a second. I think I got some acid. I might have to use some acid on there. Where's that acid? Where is it? Here it is. I'm gonna use this on some tiles in a minute in here too. Let's see what we got, see what happens with the tiles. That's a before shot there. So I'm gonna clean up, get on with it. Boy, that was a bit of a chore getting that off there. I had to cut that ring, cut that thing off some, and then again use the Dremel with that blade on there. And now I'm still struggling to get it out of there with bending it all up and everything. So patience, it's coming, getting closer. It's getting closer.